this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call my roasted Brussels sprouts. A lot of people have a lot of recipes on how to do theirs. I'm going to show you how to do mine. First, you got to make sure you cut them, and make sure you cut the tails off, and make sure they're clean. Make sure that they don't have withered, anything withered on them, because that's not good. So what I'm going to do now is add some salt and black pepper, and we're going to put them in the oven for about maybe 30 minutes, and we're going to start doing our process of roasting. Alright, I add black pepper and salt, olive oil, and canola oil. I'm going to add some garlic powder as well. So I'm going to put this in the oven and let it cook for about 20 minutes, and we'll be right back. Alright, after the 20 minutes on 350 to 375, we're going to take the oil, we're going to add butter with it, and we're going to add some Parmesan cheese, and we're going to add garlic, and we'll be right back to show you what to do next. Alright, I added garlic and butter, and we're going to add some Parmesan cheese to this, and we're going to pour it on top of the Brussels sprouts and put them back in the oven for about maybe 10 more minutes, and we'll be finished with them. Alright, after the 10 minutes, we're going to add some Parmesan cheese on top of them, and they are finished, y'all. They are finished, and they are delicious.